welcome back. So today we are going to wait a minute. I don't have the music, the background, so that this is much more easier to okay. Now we have some background music. Let's see if I can hear myself. I can hear myself. So what we did the other day was to be able to build Rescatux from a Docker. So we have managed to build this thing, but it's not actually Rescatux, it's livecd. Okay, so we had also this thing that we can use to boot the ISO thing. So now we are going to see what do we want to do so that we get better results here. I mean, I see that the boot menu doesn't have auto detect, although I think that's normal, but I'm not sure about that. And yeah, so here we have the virtual machine and whatever. Nice. I think I saw that some images were not there, but I'm not very sure about that. Maybe when you try to close everything. Okay. Network operation not supported. I have no idea what's that. Oh, network. Computer. However, this folder seems to work. I'm not sure what's really any of that. So we've got this what the hell is this? This Wi-Fi thing that it's useful. The pen drives and whatever is this, show desktop. And so we need to polish. Hey, Eric. Hi, Eric. So we need to polish all of this stuff, and maybe the right way of doing this is just booting in the other one thing. So I'm not sure how would you do this. So if I take a look at this, damn it, if I take a look at this, now I have closed everything because this is reusing what we had. So here I should have latest version here. Let's try to run this and compare. Is another process using the big disk? Yeah, but we don't need big disk actually here. Maybe we can just say KVM and that's it. Maybe doesn't matter too much about this. I mean, this is another virtual machine with other stuff and that's it, and it's going to just boot from here. Okay, you can see here how we have this auto thing that I will have to check why don't we have auto stuff here. I'm not sure if we have the right kernel panic. What the hell? Oh yeah, this is a memory thing, isn't it? As I'm doing this like from memory, I have no idea what works and what not. Usually wait, no, I want number 3. 1 second, please. Yeah, that's it, number 3. Barely you can oh, the gleam stuff. So let me write down 1 second in supergroup 2 issues gleam stuff, which I think some people already said something related to this, but I'm not sure about that. When closed, yeah, Baldic. Yeah, so can we reopen this thing? Reopening, it might be a good idea. Okay, so not so much work I have seen related to loopback CFG, so it might be, so this might be a good idea after all. We could reuse some of the ink files now that we have those OS detect files, but let's wait a bit for that. But let's wait probably in 2025, and so the label is 2025, so I don't want to work on with this. Okay, so we reopen this 2025, and that's it. Now let's go back to Rescatux. So zoom to fit. I mean, I'm not sure if we're getting the same stuff, because this is probably another yeah, it's not actually the same virtual machine, that's why it's not exactly the same thing, but we can see some stuff like Firefox is no longer here, there's no Rescap, there's no notification show desktop. I mean, this is all of the same thing, although this is, so yeah. So I mean, there is a something, you know, there's something that I want to fix, that this is these icons which are very boring. So this is what we are having right now. Let me take in the screenshot here. So where is this? Here. Okay, and now let's go to the past. So this is the past one, and let's take a look. Look at that. If we take the screenshot, which fucking it's not here. Wait a moment, please. Okay, so what's the difference? I mean, they seem the same thing to me. Huh. I am doing this right or not? It's yeah, I mean, different size, but it's actually the same thing. However, here we have this icon here. In the past we have this icon, but in this new one that has Firefox but doesn't have the Rescap, we have a new leaf dialog, which I guess it's yeah, look at that, live. Huh. And I think that's related to how I have a hook somewhere that tries to, what the hell is this? I have a hook in here. Why the hell is there Rescatux? Okay. Maybe I want to see this folder here. So I have a hook related to this, which is where are the hooks? That's a very good question. I have no idea where the hooks are. Here it is. So grab hooks, grab a hook, find a hook somewhere. I think we have some hooks. Okay, look at that. Remove LXQT themes content. So here we have two different hooks, okay, which, you know, are related to this. Look at that. So here we have two different stuff that, you know, if you take a look at this commit, for example, you can see how we remove ignore directories not being yeah, so we remove LXQT themes, so because we don't want so much space to be taken from here. And also this merge stuff that we have here, okay, this is the thing that we have at Adwaita icons, that it was much better stuff that we had with these Adwaita icons and so on. You know what I mean? And then once you copy everything, you delete the faenza-icon-theme. Okay. And some more changes were done here, like improving this thing so that it's a bit better. And then we had this thing here where, what the hell is this? Yeah, look at that. So once you have everything here, you're using this logout instead of logout png, which this is used somewhere in here apparently. So this thing here is actually using this system logout images somewhere, so that you copy them here or there, and temporal image conversion to proper dimension. Yeah, so I could have done this thing like this, but they do like that. And we have all of this stuff that we don't actually need, because now we have a lot of space because we are more than 700, so there's no need for any of this. This also adds some more stuff for the sake of doing that, and maybe what we should work on is just using either faenza or Adwaita, you know. So in Rescatux common packages, what the hell is that? We have some of these packages, which is LXQT theme Debian. Okay, we have this faenza thing, and what about Adwaita? Is this something that, so maybe Adwaita is something that we install here, and then no, Adwaita. One second, please. I am doing this right or not? Okay, so I think we can get rid of live config hooks, merge stuff, and then live config hooks live. Remove this thing, LXQT themes content. Wait a minute. Okay. Yeah, so why maybe this themes stuff, it's doing the Adwaita stuff, and that's why we are removing it from LXQT theme Debian thing. Okay, let's just remove this thing for now. We will see what happens, because I have no idea what I'm doing, if I'm being honest. So we remove these two hooks. Okay, and do we want to remove the theme Debian? I have no idea if we want to remove it or not. And the other thing is just adding this thing here, and now we can say do not use faenza-icon-theme anymore. That's it. And now we need to build this thing again, and I think it's just running this thing. Okay, so this is the one, the new one, because it doesn't have the stuff here, doesn't have Rescap. So let's yeah, let's just shut down this thing, maybe, I don't know. Then I'm a bit curious to see if the scale, if what happens with a new user, because you know we have all of this stuff, but I mean, actually, if we There's the dot face icon VNC profile. Yeah, we need to take a look at all of that. Then later on we will have to see what happens with you know, okay, so yes, the full settings. I do it like this because the full settings, I need to find a much better way of running this. So wait a moment. What the hell is this using as a way of running this thing? What's the VGA Virtuo and Machine 45? Maybe that's the right thing to do here. Yeah, I don't like this thing, but you know, maybe it's going to be much better than what we were doing with the old version. So press ask number 2. But yeah, I mean, I think it's much better like this because you can make this as much bigger as you want. So in the meanwhile, we are wait a moment. So no, stupid here and there. So I need to pull this stuff so that I can make this, and let's see how it goes. So okay, this is another stuff. So yes, then we close this, and then we close this. So we're going to see what happens if we don't have any icon to be using here. Okay. So now we should just wait. Wait a moment. This has operation not permitted. Maybe I should go out, then run this thing again, and hit pull origin and whatever the branch is here, which is this one here. So hopefully it's the same one that we have here. Yes, it is. And then we can do make Rescatux. Was it like that? And then this will start from scratch, hopefully, and we don't have any problem with def whatever as we had before. You know what I mean? Okay, let's take a look how this looks inside of... Oh, wait a moment. We have some icons here, which is the network, my PC, and all of this stuff that doesn't work, but we don't have that on this one. So we need to figure out how to remove them, because we don't want them. Actually, we don't actually want them in the desktop. Yeah. That's maybe the thing that we need to be working on, the skull stuff, and then go from there, you know what I mean? We also need to compare all of the files and so on. In any case, I wanted to take a look at the Adwaita stuff which I'm not sure where it is, but wait, faenza. So where are you? So the hell is this? So let's add the Spanish keyword thing so that what? Don't we have any of this? Okay, so apparently here we have the Adwaita stuff, and I guess that here we have some icons that are from Adwaita and some others that are not from Adwaita, that are actually from faenza and stuff, and that's what I'm going to just change so that. But it's rather strange that I don't find anything which is faenza. Why is that? Faenza. Have I written this wrong? Faenza. Yeah. Faenza. Yeah. I'm writing this right. Faenza. And faenza. So I'm not sure why there's nothing about that, but it might be that this merge is what you do. You put everything into this, you know, into this Adwaita stuff. Yeah. Okay, so now we are waiting for this stuff. Maybe we should try to yeah. What about the live CD? What about the desktop? So here we're going to write down what's wrong about the desktop. So Rescap icon is not showing, to be expected for now. Okay, then we have this thing that try to use a set of icons. Choose a nice choose a nice set of icons. We do not want my PC and network icons on the desktop. Let's see how we do that. And yeah, this is a bit of what we want to do with all of this. But for now, this is building. I mean, actually we could actually test the ISO that we have. This is the old one, so we could test the new one. If I think we can test the new one. Just so this is number 4. Wait a minute. Yeah, this is the new one. Then there's this thing, live build. I mean, there are a lot of stuff that we need to do. Live build check. So live build check is the there's the C Linux support, okay, and then with this auto boot. So why auto boot does not work in sys Linux is in sys Linux? Why is that? Or does it? Does auto boot works in UEFI group? So this is why auto boot so auto architecture architecture detection. Okay, so you can hear some thunders in the background if you are lucky enough. Okay, which this is the new one. Okay, we cannot run this because we don't have any of these installed, and yeah, maybe there are some packages here and there that we don't want to be working on. So let's see, we are building this thing here, hopefully. Wait, where is it? Here. Building this thing here, which will need to download a lot of stuff. We will see how it goes. Let's take a look and see what more we are missing. So this is the old one because we have Rescap here, and yeah. Okay, so look at that. This is kind of different, or maybe not. We need to test all of this stuff to see if it works or not. But I don't know. Extra checks. Does the VNC server stuff work with the current switches? So you can see how what the hell is this? So when we run Rescap, you have this thing, yeah, not when we run Rescap, but when we run whatever it's on the thing that you do when you stop. So when you log out the desktop, it logins again, and you can say here that no, because we want the full desktop. And do you want to keep running BNC server? You can see here how we have a BNC thing, which is this is a script that runs it. But as you can see here, there's a you know, a BNC thing, which actually is twice. Yeah, maybe it's okay. So I guess you don't have any password, or the password is Rescatux, but do you want? Yes. So do you want to change the full BNC's password? you should say yes, but I'm not going to do that. And so the thing is that this is working. Okay, this is actually working, and this is how you put this thing. And if you take a look here, this is just remove everything and then run this thing. So if we go to the future, which is this thing here, I'm not sure if we have this thing running. Wait a minute. Let's change the keyboard thing so that we don't have too much hassle here. Keyboard and mouse, keyboard layout, Spanish, Windows, and no longer Win key but Windows. Okay, let's remove this thing here. Look at that. B and C. So as you can see, B and C doesn't seem like working. In theory, we should have. Let's see what the hell. How the hell? We should have a USSR US. I'm not sure if we are going to have this thing here. Yes, we have it here. Nice. So we should be able to run this thing, I guess, as root. Or is this something that you thought maybe you can run this as a normal user? This is run as a normal user, so no need to go into root in the future. So let's try to run this and see what happens. BNC desktop is whatever. Okay, so this seems to work. So let's write it down that this is working. Yeah, no need. Oh no, this is renaming, not create a new one. So now if you go here and you try to see this thing, it works. And hopefully, I guess that here you have this Rescatux with some kind of base 64 stuff. I mean, not basic, some kind of encryption or something. So this seems to work. So yes. So the VNC stuff works. So it's one less thing to fix. This is still building stuff. Let's take a look and see in the future, or maybe in the past. Okay, let's go to the past and see what we should be caring about. Okay, look at that. These are the IPs where the TinyCBNP listens to and whatever. Yeah, but this is the past. Let's see how it looks like. I mean, we cannot do this because we would need ResCap for this to work, and that's not the case yet. We don't have ResCap yet here for this to work. So there's no easy way to test this. Ha ha ha. Okay. This is the past because we have ResCap. Let's go to the future and yeah. I'm not sure what else should I be looking for here. A appearance, brightness, desktop notifications. I mean, let's compare. So this is the future, isn't it? I can do this much smaller. Like, wait a minute. You're kidding me? This is I mean, that's interesting. I thought that I could resize whatever yeah. So what about asking for a much smaller resolution like this one? Let's say that this is okay. Where the hell is this? Why can't I see zoom to fit? What? Zoom out? Oh my god. Don't we have BTO? This should more or less monitor settings. Let's try. Oh, maybe this one here was too big. I don't know. Let's say that yes, and then best fit. Okay. So the thing I want to do is just open the other one, the background, and then I open this one, so we can compare in real time if there's something missing or not. So these are notifications apparently, which I don't know. This is the Wi-Fi stuff. Yeah, media manager, show desktop, leave. So here we have something similar. Leave, show desktop. So we are missing notifications, although manage widgets. I don't know if status notifier. How the hell do you put? Is it like plus move up? System try. What the hell is this? Oh, look at that. What the hell was this? Like here. Command system try. What? But this is the I don't understand anything. So apparently this is called a status notifier, even if it doesn't. Yeah, I don't know. So we actually have this thing here, apparently. Let's leave this thing here and let's see what happens with this. I'm not sure if we are going to reset. Oh, look at that. Okay, so it's here, but this is not something that you would use for notifications. However, if you go into manage widgets, there's this weird status notifier thing. Okay. Yeah, this does not. This. I don't understand this. We should have CMT stuff and not this thing here. It's like both of them occupy the same stuff. So commands works, however, and status notifier does not seem to work properly. Okay, Where's the future? So the future is here. Let's try to add another user and see what happens with that new user. So we have, yeah, I'm not very good at writing passwords. Let's see what happens with 2 users when you do this thing here. Do you want to log out? Yes, I want. And it auto logs in. However, what the hell is this? We should have some kind of, is this thing, are we using GDM3? Let's install Beam. It's going to be much better than assuming this can install a staff, which I'm not sure about that. I mean, yes, bookworm. Okay. So here we should have a if this is what it's using, it's doing this thing, we should have some auto login, something auto login. Doesn't seem the case. So this is light DM XDAIM. What the hell is this? Is there any DAIM here, or is it something from, you know, let's search for the auto login word. LXQT. Okay, I have no idea. Let's search for LXQT. How the hell do you configure LXQT auto login? I want to just auto login. Yeah, how do you do this? SDDM. Yeah, but I mean, actually, if you think about it, SDDM auto login. No. Let's see what we have here. Do we have something? We have systemd. Maybe now systemd makes the auto login or something. LXQT session. PCman. This is the command for the network thing. LXQT session. Yeah. Login. Login D. One second, please. PAMD. I have no idea if this is what we should be. Klogin shells. So here we have this login.devs thing, and I have no idea. etc in PAMD. Okay, let's go into PAMD and let's see what the hell do we find here. Auto login. Why? Common password, login, cron. Maybe there's something about live here, which is what run user minus L. Zoom. Well, common session non-interactive. Maybe. Oh, what the hell do you set this up? I mean, I have no idea where you set up the auto login. Why did you do that? Yeah, so many people use sdndim thing. Okay, yeah, let's take a look at here and see. I mean, let's write this down and see what the hell do we have here. So assuming this is x11, because now we have this should have this default display manager thing. No, we don't we'll have that. I mean, x11 could have some stuff here, but doesn't have it, so I'm not sure about any of this. Let's search in the full hard disk and see what the hell do we find here, because I have no idea what I'm looking for, if you ask me. In any case, yeah, status display manager. Oh, look at that. We have all of this stuff that does some config here for like DM, LXDM. What the hell is this? Well, I think we have some good candidates here that we can take a look at, and okay, let's go here and let's see. There was something like display manager with systemd. I'm not sure this is going to work at all, but let's see. Okay, and display manager is not here. So here we have some hooks or whatever that this is that works with GDM3, KDM, LightDM, LXDM, NoDM. So I have no idea which one of these are the right ones. So this is the one that should not have any DM or anything. So no DM enabled. So maybe it's this thing here, because we don't need we don't actually need. No, this is not it. Like DM, LXDM. I mean, if I do like this, there's no DM running here. So I'm not sure. Login. Hooks. Slim. Is there a manager which is called Slim? Let me see this thing. Systemd login D. Maybe it's this thing here, systemd login D, which has an option for you to log in here without any password, and that's it, you know. It's how everything works nowadays. So maybe there's a systemd thing here. Oh, look at that. But this is not, I think this is not related to NSS switch. I don't think this is related to something else. I mean, actually here, I mean, one of these should be the one that, you know, like this X init thing. Wait a minute. There is no auto login stuff that we could use here, and that way we would look at that profile.d. Wait a minute. Let's work with this because I don't want to. No X11 auto login. Let's write this down so that I can use it. That way it's going to be much easier and I don't have to worry about this to find out which is exactly the same, which is the auto login. So it's no X live config. Yeah, so either is no X11 auto login or like live-config dot no X auto login. Okay, nice to know, I guess. So now we can reboot this thing, but let me check how the Docker stuff is working on, is going on. Do we have a new image or not? Build completed. Yes, we have a new image, so we can close the new one, which is this one here, and we can open again. We can open it again. So this is the new one. Okay, so press ESC, and this is number 4, and let's put this thing here. Oh, for a moment we have seen the background there. We don't have any notifier. Is the logout screen, is it? Look at that. Look at this. Now I remember why I decided, where's this leaf? Look at that. This is what I did this fix. This is not fixed yet. So if you don't have the faenza stuff or whatever, I mean, it's like you are missing some icons here, and it's still happening here. So yeah, I mean, I need to take a look and see how the hell do they do the, yeah, this needs to be fixed. Maybe we can just install something and we will be good for that. So keyboard layout, Spanish Windows, and remove, apply, close. So there's this thing called LXQT live or what? Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. So we have this thing here, and we can try to install it, and it should say, okay, let's install all of this bullshit. So what we need to do here is to look for some icon themes or something, you know what I mean? So I don't want to search manually anything. Let's use the power of the power that we have here. So thanks to this simple editor, we can find, look at that, we have two different icon themes, the oxygens and the papyrus. I don't know why would you use them of GNOME themes extra. Okay, let's install let's write these two different what the hell, I have my, okay, let's, so the set of icons, it's either oxygen icon theme or papyrus icon theme, which I don't know why is there any difference about that. So we can install this thing here. Okay, paste selection, I wonder, I don't know which is better or not. So does this already work or not? Leave? I don't know if this is working or not. Or maybe we are supposed to be changing here the appearance and then oxygen theme 1. Oh my god. So now we have this thing here, leaf. Look at that. I mean, now I think this is much better, although the leaf one, I don't know why the leaf is leaf. It's like shut down. But yeah. So I like the chicken pirate, so I think we need to, so what we want to do here is the package should be this one here, and then the scale should have this oxygen icon theme by default, because the Adwaita one is not there, you know what I mean? In any case, now I want to test the papyrus icon theme thing to see what the hell happens here. But the Adwaita one, it's not good at all, because it's lacking some files and it doesn't work as expected. Okay, please. Yeah, so now we can go into appearance thing, and I can see, oh my god, now we have a lot of, so maybe just use the oxygen, and that's it. So here we have this one here, which is like Comic Sans because it's round. We have Papyrus Dark. I mean, it's like you change everything and you know, I don't know, leave. I I don't like this stupid, I mean, not stupid, but I don't like everything to be round. Doesn't seem like serious. Where the hell is this? So leave. So the octave, so this Adwaita one does not seem to work as expected when you do leave, because we don't have enough icons. But the octave one, I mean, this octave one seems to work better. Where the hell is this? Leave. And you have this thing that matches more, that this is red, be careful, whatever, and it's in a square like it should be. But you know, this reboot one doesn't have an icon, and that's concerning. Wait a minute. So Papyrus thing doesn't have a, why don't we have any icon here? Is it because we have replaced this with something else? But I have removed that change, if I'm not mistaken. Why is this big pile of shit? Why can't it work as expected and that's it? So this hibernate, here we have an hibernate. Why don't you use that icon instead of this? What I'm supposed to be doing? Is it something like this that I have to use so that this works? No. Is it something in the skull that it's not? Where's the skull? Is it something in the skull that it's not okay regarding all of that? Config file, I mean, if I search for logout or something, do we have any of this? Desktop is a directory. What's the problem here? Why is a directory? Oh. Yeah. Well. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so so I'm very disappointed. This is not working as expected. This is bullshit. I mean, this is bullshit. I don't know. I mean, I can decide to install the full stuff, which is LXQT something. Search LXQT, grab desktop. Is it desktop? No, it's live. Let's try and see how, what's the difference. What are we missing here? New packages are here. Live task base, theme Debian. Maybe this is the thing. Wait a minute. No. Maybe this is the thing that we are supposed to be doing. Installing LXQT theme Debian, and hopefully this is going to work as expected. Branding Debian, theme Debian. Where's the LXQT theme Debian? What the hell does this here? We have no idea. We don't have these buttons fixed. I need to find out what the hell is this. So we have, look at that, look at that. So this button, if I use it, if I don't have it here, it has the right icon for the desktop, but whatever the problem is, emblem, clear emblem. What's the problem with you? Why? So icon is system substance hibernate, which is what we want the icon to be, I guess. And we've got this stupid square thing, you know. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so let me see, because okay, here we have a definition of this thing here. Now I'm going to open a new tab. I don't care. Let's go here, and let's find this thing everywhere, and let's see what the hell do we find here. Okay, look at that. Is this the problem? We don't have enough sizes for this to work properly. Is this a problem? Because I'm very bored about this. I am very bored. So the ones that work are leave. Let's add leave to the desktop so that we can inspect the .desktop thing, because I'm very fed up with this stuff. Look at that. Systems shut down. So in theory, wait. In theory, we should see something similar here, which is new tab. Let's go here, and system shut down thing. I mean, in this icons stuff, okay. So icon stuff, I can search for whatever the name is this, which is system shutdown. And we are probably going to find some of the icons which are smaller, isn't it? Let's take a look. So there's 1616 papyrus. There's 1616 system shutdown. So hibernate is this one here, which also has I have no idea what's going on wrong here. Maybe this is the Hibernate one. Symbolic. Wait a minute. ePapyrus has I mean, I have no idea. Maybe it's one of them, that one of these, that it's the one that, you know. In any case, we can have more themes or whatever is this called, icon theme, because icon theme okay, look at that. Let's install the LXDE icon theme to see if this is any better, if we can use it or not, and we will try to find out if this is any better. Where's the thing that appearance? So icon theme, do we have, what the hell is this? Did we have that? Is this the LXD stuff? New op whatever? Oh my god, this is very sad. Again, we have the fucking Hibernate, the fucking suspend. Why? Okay, let's take a look at the different commits that we have done here. So this is removing the faenza stuff that I did back in the day. Why don't we have all of the data? What's wrong here? I mean, this had some content, and I should be seeing how this is removed. What the hell? I don't understand this. So if I take a look at here, I can see all the stuff, but I don't know why. So override Adwaita icons with system faenza once. Faenza. Wait, maybe we are supposed to be just installing faenza and that's it. I mean, at least faenza should. I mean, I haven't checked the past to see if we have the same problem or not. We don't have the same problem. So probably the problem relies on faenza or what? I mean, system reboot. Look at that. The system restart. It's copied into system reboot so that it looks better. And then, I don't know, this is used in order to override some files so that, yeah. So if we go into the future, which is this one here, we haven't installed faenza yet, which is what I actually used. This is what I actually used so that this worked properly, because otherwise this did not work as expected. So if I go here, faenza, yeah, appearance. So right now what we have here is we have this round stuff, icon themes, faenza. We can choose some other colors, but we have faenza. And now we have, wait a minute, what's this? This is what's the name? This is a joke. I mean, there is some nice stuff, but we don't get any of this hibernate. Finds the darkest. What's wrong with you? Okay, let's take a look at the fucking system hibernate, system restart, override Adwaita icons with system faenza once. Huh. So we copy it from Adwaita and we copy it. No. Wait a minute. Is this the other way around? It's the other way around, isn't it? So we are copying from what the hell is this? Why? If this exists, then you go into faenza and then you copy faenza into Adwaita. Yeah, so faenza should have everything that we want to. And then look at this, look at this, look at this. This is maybe what I'm looking for. So in faenza there are some 96 images, 96 size images which are not there, and we copy them from, what the hell is this? Yeah, I have no idea where is this copy in this stuff. So we are copying from faenza to Adwaita so that it's the default one, so that it has all of these files here on the different sizes. But why I cannot use the, why can't I use the you know, either Adwaita or faenza? Why do I have to merge both of them? That's what's concerning to me. I mean, actually, the thing that it's also concerning is that I cannot select here Adwaita. There's no wait, this is the past, and here, where is the thing here? Appearance, Adwaita. So if I apply this, we still have this stupid hibernate reboot suspend thing because something. I don't need to do any of this. I do not need to do any of this. This is bullshit. This is bullshit. I don't need to do any of this. This should work out of the box. I had here or there or the other place. I don't care. So I search for LXQT and then live. And maybe I can manage to install all of these. Let's forget about anything. Let's just do this. See what the hell does this thing. And let's see what's going on in here. Have seen something here. LXQT branding Debian. I wonder if that's what it's missing here, the branding with Debian, so that we have everything in the right place. Does this fix anything? No, it does not. What about using whatever LXQT? Oh, maybe we are supposed to change the LXQT thing. What about using whatever it was, like oxygen thing? We don't have this. What about LXQT? KDE Plasma. So instead of system, we do KDE Plasma. Nothing. What about Frost? You're like Frost. Oh my god. This doesn't seem like a very good idea to have. We cannot work with, I mean, this is not okay. I mean, I understand that you have to do a lightweight system, but this should work out of the box. You know what I mean? So system and icon themes, I don't care. Oxygen is okay for me. I mean, actually is the theme that they use every day. But this is not working here because we are missing 96 icon. And now we are going to close, or maybe not, but yeah, we're going to close this future stuff. Okay, this is the past, and where the hell are we? So here we have, this is like present as a current Rescatux. This is the future stuff. Okay, and then we are going to do this thing here. Okay, and here we're going to download LXQT live CD stuff, that whatever, Debian LXQT live. How the hell live installs? What the hell is this? No, I don't want that, or do I? I mean, I'm not sure if this is what we're looking for. And this is not looking very good. Debian Live. Okay. Do we have something that I don't have to? Okay, here it is. My question is this done with live CD? I mean Debian Live, or is it done? Is this done with something else? Because I'm not very sure about that. Okay, let's see what happens with this thing here. Okay, so in 8 minutes we're going to have 3 gigabytes. Oh my god. I mean, I can understand that you can have more stuff in a live CD if you don't have the 700 max limit, but you know. Okay, so what I want to check out is what the hell happens in the official image with this stuff. And then I want to check out if this is done with, if this is actually Debian Live regarding, you know, what we want is live build LXQT image. You know what I mean? Debian Live LXQT.log ISO hybrid. So maybe it is because here you can see the log, and I guess that this is Debian Live. Yeah, this is Debian Live. That's how it works. Yeah, look at that. ISO log. So yeah. And also you can see all of the packages and the stuff that this is installing here. So we can see the icons like this, I guess. Theme icons. Don't remember very well what was the, but there is something related to icons, not oxygen icons. Oh, look at that. Okay, icon theme. So wait a minute, high color icon theme. Maybe that it's something that we are missing here. I didn't see this before. Oxygen, papyrus, whatnot. High color Adwaita icon theme. I haven't installed that manually. I mean, but I guess that it's installed anyway. Okay, so this is still the loading, but about the current Rescatux thing. I mean, I have this from supergroup that does this thing. That's so number 4. This thing here. Let's see what happens if we install high color stuff or something. Okay. Maybe we want to change the keyword so that it's Spanish. Yeah. Apply close. So I mean, but I actually want to see if this is installed here. Yes, it is. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure of anything about anything. So what about this wget? It's still doing its thing. Okay, so Rescatux distro watch. What else can we try from these packages that we have on this log? So there was the Adwaita icon theme, which I guess it's installed here. I mean icon theme. Yeah, so we have the Adwaita and the high color icon theme, and it's not something that it's useful for us because we are missing the 96 one, I guess, which is the one that it's used here. But even then, why that would be? So this is Adwaita, isn't it? Because if you go into appearance, the icon themes is the Adwaita one. So Adwaita, where the hell is this Adwaita? Adwaita. US share icons. Was it? Default, the stop base. So in this 96 apparently there were some stuff which were missing, which is what I had here on this. I mean, actually, let me reload everything. Why this is not working as expected? What are we doing wrong here? Damn it. So if you remove a file, it doesn't show you anymore what this file looked like before. That's, I don't know. So live config, live, what the hell is this? Hooks, live. Okay, let's see if I understand. Fix restart named reboot icons, system reboot. Maybe the other ones were just reboot, and now there are some other stuff. So look at that, system restart is copied into system reboot, and then here there's this thing about copying everything. So I copy the 96 one. Wait a minute, what the hell? So if this exists, then you copy stuff, otherwise you go into 96 and you copy the 96 here, because that's what it is. Huh. So apparently there's a faenza-96 which fixes this somehow. Faenza. I mean, but that would mean that we need to install the faenza-icon-theme, isn't it? Faenza-icon-theme here. faenza-icon-theme. What the hell? Where the hell is this? So the directory is actions app. So in actions we have 96, and that's where can we go here thanks to this thing which I have PCman. Yeah, new tab and then PCman whatever. Let's just, what the hell, look at that. Here we have this 96 stuff, and some of the files are system reboot, you know. But it's not like something that why do we have so many arrows here? So system reboot, look at that. There was system reboot and system, I don't know which was the name. Look at that, system shutdown, log out, and there's reboot and the other one, restart. So here we don't have the restart one, so we can maybe copy it from Adwaita. So I guess that the idea is that what we have here is 96, and so we can change the appearance to faenza for now. Okay, so now we use, where is this thing? Now we use faenza, and we are missing this hibernate stuff, which is system D something something. Where is the, wait a minute, hibernate, add to desktop. So now you can see how hibernate, which has the right icon by the way, now we have a system D hibernate, which is on, can we make a new tab here? Have we won something? And that's why they do those stuff. So in Adwaita we have this 96 stuff with actions, and some of them is this what we are looking for, and size and year, actions apps. I mean actually the size should be 96, and it's not the case because they have changed again this fucking stuff. So here we have reboot and so on with the symbolic. Are we sure that this is what it's actually shown in every place? This symbolic stuff, it seems quite strange to me. UI, what the hell is this? Okay, so 96 actions, and then we just pick a an hibernate one, which actually here is suspend hibernate. So system suspend, we don't have that here. Wait a minute. So if we go onto the US share icons Adwaita thing 96 and we search for suspend, are we going to find anything? No, because why would you do that? Why would this even be useful at all? So in faenza-96 we already have a system suspend hibernate.png thing, and I have no idea what this is looking for exactly here. What's the actual size of these icons look like, stuff. I mean, I should probably modify logout, which I know that it's here, and then figure out, you know, because this is probably system logout or something like that, or let's see, 1 second, logout, add to desktop. So what we have here, logout, is system logout. Okay, system logout with 2 hyphens. So I can search for that, system logout with 2 hyphens, and I can search for this suspend thing, which is actually system suspend hibernate, isn't it? I think so. System suspend hibernate, which I don't think I have searched with this exact query again. So we can do something like show me logout and show me this one here, and just check the differences in faenza. Is there anything and that it's different in this too, so that we don't have the right icon on system suspend hibernate? And no, or is it? I mean, one of them is an action and the other one is an app. I wonder if it's any difference. Trying to search a number here which is different, and I don't see that. What the hell? This bullshit is not working as expected. Okay, so here I should have this new Debian Live CD stuff, which should maybe tell us what's going on here. I mean, we would be able to see if, okay, so the default stuff does not have the auto. I mean, you don't use 2 kernels, so there's no need for auto. So let's see. Debian 12. Okay, look at that. I see like the background is changing colors or something. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to search hell from the I mean, maybe not, but I'm going to. There's Debian was Adwaita or something like that. What was the name? Adwaita. I don't remember the name. There was someone that has LXQT guy, the LXQT guy, manager, you know. Wait, Chelsea is here. Okay, look at that. We have all of this stuff. Okay. Let's see. Look at that. This works as expected. What the hell is this using here? Qt style fusion. Maybe this is the right thing to do. Papyrus icon theme. What? Papyrus icon theme. Why is there? I mean, this is bigger because you have more stuff here, but okay, so maybe it's something that it has been fixed in 12.6 and I'm using something else. Qt style fusion. Okay, let's see if we can manage. Colorize. Wait a minute. Is this something that I have to uncheck? What? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Why the hell is this different? Is this the thing that it's doing everything goes not okay? Still works. So here they are using GTK style font, resolution 96, Debian, LXQT theme Debian. Okay, LXQT, we don't have the Debian one. Wait, yeah, I'm changing this and I'm not doing this right. Like, no, this is the past. We don't want to take a look at the past yet. This is the future. Appearance, LXQT. Let's install the Debian theme or something like that. Debian theme. Yeah, I mean theme Debian. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I should write this thing like this. so theme Debian. I know that there's something like this. Okay, this one here, LXQT theme Debian. Okay, so now I go into preferences, appearance, and I choose Debian. LXQT now should have Debian. Why? Oh, wait. Maybe I should reopen this thing again. So appearance, LXQT theme Debian. Here it is. Okay, so for now it's not okay, so apply. And now it's the same bullshit. What's the magic? What's the dark magic that they do here? This is the official one that works as expected. Yes, it is. Adwaita. Didn't they have something else? Papyrus. I mean, now it's going to work with all of them, isn't it? We're going to have all of them. LXQT font, cursor, cursor theme. What the hell is that? Cursor theme. Is this what I am? Okay. This is the future cursor theme. Yes, we have this thing, size 21. Size 21. This is Debian, size 21. GTK style is not turned on. Qt style is Fusion. I mean, I think this is the same thing, which is style is Fusion. Let me check this with two different windows so that I can see more stuff, and I don't need to check it with you. LXQT font. I mean, this has deja vu sense, and apparently there's this Noto Sans font. So I'm very curious if the font, why would a font hinting style slide auto hint. I mean, where's the so there's a different here. The other one is Noto Sans, so you can see here like it's a Noto Sans. I wonder if this has something to do with the fact that you have two different way of using this. So either you use one mode or the other, you know what I mean? I mean, I don't know. So the desktop might be controlled by either one stuff or the other, and then some different stuff goes on. So this thing here, which is PC Man Qt, can you know, can be used in order to display the desktop or something like that. Maybe it's something related to that. Wait. Wait a minute. What the hell is this? Size of the icons. Maybe that's what I'm missing in all of this. So I open a PCman, I go into preferences, and then there's this display, and I have exactly the same sizes, so it's not like it's the same thing. User interface, I mean thumbnail, show thumbnail, volume, advanced, QTerminal, archiver integration. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so this is the future because we don't have anything in here. Let me test. I mean, now we have installed some of this stuff. Let's just scale deleted thing. So we go into scale and search for everything. So bash logout, bash rc.config, desktop, faenza-icon, profile, and B and C. We're going to move all of these onto scale deleted, and that way we don't have anything here. I can log out, I can log in, and we will see if it fixes anything, because right now I have no idea. Okay, now we have something different, like a default something. Wait a minute, look at that. Maybe are we supposed to, let's reboot this thing. I'm not very sure that this is a fix, because, you know, press S, this is number 4. Let's go into here. So if you delete the scale, then everything works as expected. Who would have figure out? So now this does not work. Let's do the scale thing, and then later on we will see what the hell is in the scale. But before doing that, the keyboard, yeah, because I want to be able to write well, and then if we lose it, we lose it. Spanish, Windows, boom, 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 boom. This one we remove, apply, close. So the idea is that we can create a skill delete. I mean, we can create a skill delete, and then we can go in here and move everything that it's here, like all of this. We can move it to scale deleted, so that we don't have anything in here. We can log out. Let's see what happens. And we are going to have this default nothing happens. Huh. Huh, huh, huh. What happens if I install the faenza-icon-theme? Right now we don't have anything in the scale. Oh, wait. So we have supposed that if you delete the scale, I mean, we have no idea if this is used each time you log so that everything is deleted. So here there are a lot of stuff that we don't actually need any of this. So just delete. I mean, yes, just delete. I don't know if I will be able to do this. Apparently it has worked. This has worked. The problem is that I have installed the faenza-icon-theme. I'm not sure this was what I was looking for here. Oh, wait. Oh, look at that. If you don't do anything, it doesn't know what icon it should be using. Faenza. Maybe you need to install the Debian one and then you need to log out so that it's actually used in here. Wait a minute. I have grep LXQT and grep Debian. I think it's like this. Should I be big? I mean big, you know what I mean with big. Oh, yeah, I mean it's not installed. LXQT and then grep Debian. There's this LXQT theme Debian. Once you have installed this, there's no difference. You can go here onto appearance, you select Debian, apply, close, go into here. It doesn't work. Then you log out, and it works. But we have installed Faenza stuff, so let me just reboot this thing. So I don't know what's with the LXQT for theme thing, which why do we need the theme for this to work? Yeah, that's a very good question. Am I writing from the number 4? Yes, apparently I am. Okay, so we have managed to find out. Ajá, excelente vídeo, dices. Ajá, yo lo que veo es que no entiendo muy bien esto de los iconos, porque tenéis que tener un tema y el tema aquí, pues chico, haberlo dicho que necesitábamos un tema. De hecho, me pregunto si yo, por ejemplo, pongo silver, le doy aquí, me aplica el silver que no tiene los iconos y hago logout y vuelvo a entrar. No, me hace una mierda. A ver. LXQT theme. Vamos a probar, yo que sé, Frost. Aplicar. Cambiamos. Ahora ya hago logout. Yes. No sirve. Bien. Y ahora yo cojo y digo, bueno, vamos a instalar el LXQT Debian theme. No sé si lo estoy diciendo bien. Theme Debian. Venga. Una vez hecho esto, yo, bueno, de hecho no voy a hacer nada. Voy a hacer logout sin seleccionarlo, a ver qué pasa. Yo hago logout sin seleccionarlo y no funciona. Pero si yo lo selecciono, Debian, aplicar, ok, aquí lo sigo sin ver, pero si hago logout, entonces sigue sin ir. O sea que necesito el faenza. A ver un momento. Es que tiene cojones esto. Es como que el faenza. ¿Esto qué? ¿Puedo hacer que aplique algo de esto o no? Logout. O sea, el faenza sí o sí lo necesito, pero para que aplique tengo que tener el otro paquete. Madre del amor hermoso. Vamos a reiniciar un momento. Porque bueno, sí. Bueno, o no. Vamos a ver. faenza-icon-theme. Quizás la clave es en instalar esto y hacer logout. Pero es que no sé, ¿eh? O sea, ahora están los dos, el tema y el faenza, y la madre que los parió. Sigue sin ir. Vale, pero yo ahora elijo faenza, que seguirá sin ir. Pero si hago logout, ahora funciona. Pero ahora viene cuando la matan, que es cuando dices, bueno, en vez de faenza quiero usar Adwaita. Vale. Vale, es decir, usamos faenza y el Debian, porque sin el Debian no va. Ya está. ¿No tiene más? Tiene más. Vale. Que no sé, a lo mejor este hombre ya se ha marchado. Estoy aquí hablando solo. Pues no lo sé, la verdad. A ver. Vamos a tomar notas. Entonces da la impresión de que lo que hay que hacer es LXQT theme Debian, faenza-icon-theme, y entonces seleccionar faenza y seleccionar el Debian theme. O sea, de hecho podríamos poner el de Oxygen, que me parece que va a hacer lo mismo. Vamos a ver un momento. O sea, ahora mismo tenemos esto y yo digo, quiero el Oxygen theme porque me gusta más, porque patatas. Oxygen theme, LXQT, el Oxygen theme. Es que no sé cómo se llama esto. O sea, sí que lo sé porque lo he anotado antes. Faenza-icon-theme. Ah, vale. Faenza-icon-theme. Vale. Entonces yo ahora me vengo aquí. Appearance. Oxygen. Aplicar. Frooms. ¿Vale? Esto no sé yo. Sí. El problema es que esta mierda de. A ver, vamos a hacer logout un momento. Yo no quiero un fondo oscuro. No es el estilo del Rescatux. Vale, ahora los iconos van bien. Ahora es cuestión de buscar algo dentro de todo. O sea, ahora somos appearance, LXQT. So, si uso por ejemplo KD Plasma, que tendría un poco más de sentido para mí. Si hago logout, esto sigue funcionando. En verdad esto es lo que yo quiero. El Oxygen con el plasma. Dice, ¿estás usando KD o estás usando el XQT? Vale, entonces let's go back to English just in case someone is listening in English, and if you are Spanish then complain. So yeah, I mean I actually want this, so so for what I understand, wait a minute. There's like this package installs something that don't have the other packages in preferences appearance. So KDE Plasma. KDE Plasma. So this is the first one that works, but what I actually want here is the KDE Plasma one. KDE Plasma one. Apparently you are supposed to install the Faenza one and then change the theme to something else, but you need to install so are we installing something many virtual machines? So this KDE Plasma thing, is it something that we have by default? Because let's reboot here and look at that. Look, no, let's reboot here. Yes. Okay, so ask number 4, whatever. So look at that. LXQT appearance, LXQT system. KDE Plasma. Faenza-icon-theme. Let's see what happens with faenza-icon-theme only. And I also want to see what the hell is on the because faenza-icon-theme. Okay, so logout. We are in you know, in this new theme. So let's change the theme again so that it's frost. I mean, it's just a way of trying to force the theme change thing. And now let's see, it's LXQT theme Debian thing. That it's very interesting. What the hell does this has inside of it? Him. Wait a minute. Themes Debian. Color picker, notification, console QSS, panel QSS, LXQT Rana, main menu, SVC, preview spacer, plugin, wallpaper.cfg. So the only thing that sounds, the only thing that maybe it's something for the path. Maybe here there's whatever desktop switch, quick launch, taskbar. I mean, it's here. Main menu, action. It should be here. I have no doubt it should be here somewhere, which I have looked very fast. But here we should have this thing about logging out and everything. Volume pop up, desktop, okay. Quick launch, taskbar, calendar widget, clock, tray icon, all menus. Okay, so we are getting there. Q menu icon, border, transparent, Q tool button, padding, whatever, separator, item. I wonder if with some stuff here we are kind of using another item selected disabled, right arrow. Okay, unchecked, non-exclusive, checked, main menu, action view. What the hell? Mount, show desktop keeping indicator. I don't think it's any of these. Spacer, color picker. Wait a minute. What was the other candidate? It was like, if it's not this QSS, there's a CFG here, wallpaper thing, which doesn't make any sense that wallpaper is going to have anything related to this thing. Main menu SVG, unless the main menu SVG, unless this thing here has some kind of magic let's see, Inkscape. I mean, we know that there are a lot of numbers here, but maybe there's something about logout or something like that. It's not the case. Okay, so now I'm going to log out, and I mean, it's not going to work, but almost. So I just need to change the appearance to Debian. I mean, what if I change this into KDE Plasma, and then I go log out, doesn't work. There's something broken here. There is something broken here. So I actually need to use Debian theme. Okay, this does not make sense to me. So LXQT Debian theme, theme Debian, and then there's another one which is Plasma, KDE Plasma. I have no idea what's the name. How do you call this? KDE Plasma. Wait. KDE Plasma. Where the hell is this theme? Where the hell is this? Put this is from some package, which I have no idea which name it has. KDE Plasma, whatever. It's not KDE, it's not Plasma, it's not Debian, it's not. It's maybe the default has all of this stuff. So you can select this. It's not going to change anything. I mean, although I'm not sure where this is, but then you have to apply Debian. Then something happens, which I have no idea about that. I log out, and some magic happens. Some magic happens if we have the faenza icons. That's right, because otherwise, and we log out. So we log out. I'm not sure I'm doing this right. Select faenza. Select this thing. So the question is, do we need to select theme Debian? Do we need to select theme Debian for this to work? That's my question. Where the hell do I have? Okay, here it is. So number 4. Let's go. Because this is very strange, everything. So faenza is needed, yes, it's needed. So you install it, you select it, and that's it. But then this bullshit thing, I have no idea what's going on here. You know what I mean? So faenza-icon-theme. Let's suppose that this is needed. Faenza-icon-theme is needed. Okay, nice. Now we go here and we select faenza. And if you go here, you can log out, and this is not going to have any of the icons. Wait, it has them. So it's just logging out what was left to be done here. Going to kill someone. So there's no need to have an LXQT theme. Okay. Do we want this staff or do we want the oxygen theme? We want the oxygen theme, isn't it? So I hate all of this. We want the oxygen theme. So actually what we want is oxygen theme. Wait a minute. So it's oxygen theme and log out. So live, it's and then oxygen theme, select and log out, and then it's persist. I mean, not persist, but if we want to save this, we want this package and we want to update CFG scale, update the scale thing, because yeah. So yeah, you have to log out, otherwise a new set of icons, it's not applied. I mean, I wonder if it's because I'm missing something, or is it you know, I don't know. So how the hell do you do this? So first of all, we are going to install the oxys. What's the fucking name? Oxygen icon theme, because I like it. We have a space. Let's do like I like it. Oxygen install theme. Okay. Then we can go in here, we can go into home, and I can say user pre oxygen thing, and we can go into here, appearance. Where's the LXQT theme? No, this is not it. Icons theme, X oxygens apply. We don't have any of this, but if we log out, so apparently the applications are applied right away, but the actions are not applied right away, and you have to log out. And that's interesting. Why this behavior? And this is what you have here. Look at that. So now we have this thing here with the home thing, and I can copy user post oxygen so that we can have the right scale. And now, before going on, let me change the keyboard mouse so that I can have the Spanish layout thing. I should maybe select this from the boot options or something, but you know. So now let's do this thing, which is very nice. Oh my god, what's wrong with you? Syntax error, X action, whatever. Okay, so shortcuts. I don't care about shortcuts. I think this is what I care about, which is icon theme oxygen. Okay, look at that. Yeah, that's what we want to do. So let's try to fix this. So we have this oxygen icon theme, and we had something removed on the latest commit, that it was here, LXQT additional packages. So LXQT additional packages, we are going to add this one here and here. Okay, so probably we don't need this thing, but and the other thing that we are going to do is to change the scale, which maybe it's in live config. I'm not sure about this. ATC scale .config LXQT.conf. Is it like that? Look at that. So instead of Adwaita, it's oxygen. Yeah, oxygen. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. So now we can say here something like add this thing here and add this thing here, and we can say use oxygen icon theme. Look at that. Once we have that, we can of course pull this thing here and try to build this ISO again so that we can have this improvement by default. And now I don't know which is this one. No. Okay, I have it here. So this is the one that we have managed to make work properly. And as you can see here, this is system. It looks like it looks nice. I don't think we need KDE style thing. I mean, there's system KDE Plasma. I mean, it's maybe a bit better, but it's maybe too lame. Let me see. What's wrong with this thing? I don't know. I think I'm going to leave here Plasma is slightly different. It's like it's not as easy to read, and the system is more bright maybe. Yeah, let's keep this one, the bright one. This is what I wanted here. KDE Plasma, okay. So we have this thing in blue, and then once we have this is also, wait a minute, look, this blue is more dark, and the KDE Plasma 1 has a not so blue. Oh, so which blue do we like the most? Yeah, the system, because it has more, as it's more dark, you can see better the letters. So we just had to look out for this to work. So let me so basically is something like, where's the LXQT? So apparently applying an icon theme only for changing an icon theme only will change is application based icons. Its action based icons will not be applied till you log out. Its actions, so share icons, where's the faenza thing? Oxygen, yeah, I don't care. Wait, base, where's the shutdown system, whatever, shutdown system suspend thing, system shutdown, no, it's not, it's suspend hibernate actions, yeah. So some icons being applied or not confused me, and I thought that I was missing some packages. Is this the expected behavior? I mean, the problem is that once you are so this only works when you don't have a sim installed, isn't it? If you have one installed, then you don't have this problem, because yeah. Please notice that this only happens when you only have the Adwaita icon theme installed, and you install the faenza and try to apply it without logging out. You can find this problem on the leave menu. I have recorded in my long video where I have recorded my long video where I try to develop Rescatux, but I don't have a show that showcases this yet. Yeah, okay, so leave. Okay, so now we have, what's the name? We have yeah. Maybe the actions is something that you use here, and for this to apply, no, because these are okay. Anyway, so we are installing this thing, building this thing. Now we have managed to work around this thing. I think that this thing is right, so let's push this thing into here. So I guess it's like this. Source force, seriously? So I guess it's like this. Yeah, here it is. So yeah, I might just end all of the virtual machines, and that's it. Here's the Debian LXQT, which worked by default, and yeah, shut down. Yeah, let's close this anyway, and let's close also the past, which is this thing with Rescatux in it. So now we will have the oxygen theme, and that's it. Okay, let's edit the video so that we can have this thing. Let's have this text on the video. What the hell is the video here? Let's edit the video just a moment. I'm going to add description related to this thing here. So apparently LXQT. Apparently changing the icon theme only when changes application based icons. It's action based icons with them if there. Is this expected behavior? Please notice that EOS only happens when the Adwaita you install faenza-icon and try to apply question for LXQT experts. Okay. So let's save this. Let's take a look at the stream. Is there? Oh, look at that. We are building this thing. Okay, so the video has been saved. I think now I can return onto the episode thing where I think we're going to end the stream here. So unless this doesn't take too long to do, but I'm not sure because now it needs to do the rest of it, which is not the squash FS. You know what I mean. I know this is going to work, but you know. Okay, are we going to be able to test this? Which one? I think it's this one. The right, yeah, this is the right one. So we might just test this so that we have a nice end here where this works. But actually doesn't matter if we don't do any of that. Look at this group EFI stuff that it's been installed here. Yeah. Yeah. Chorizo. If you have chorizo, it means that we're going to have a nice ISO, and hopefully it's going to override our ISO, and it will be fine for us. C-sync is you want to push, there's no need for C-sync for anything. We are still doing stuff. Okay, so move this thing, completely successful. Let's do this. So press ESC number 4. Let's make this bigger. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, now everything looks very nice with the oxygen theme, which is also very nice for everything. I mean, this is not going to work because whatever, but you know, maybe it's not something that we should think about. Yeah, I need to empty the scale so that we only have whatever is here regarding Edward computer, and I don't want that, you know what I mean. And let's see if we can remove that. Maybe there's some desktop preferences where you can show some stuff or not. Oh, look at that. We can remove all of this, and that's it. There's no need to show the home and whatever. We already have them here. You're not supposed to use this anyway. Huh. Damn it. Desktop preferences. Let's write this down. Extra checks. Yeah, I mean, where the hell is this thing? Desktop being empty. So you've got the desktop being empty. So right click on desktop preferences. Okay, advanced, and check all of the options. What the hell is this? Okay, accept. Okay, apply. Okay, apply. Okay, and then yeah, compare user contents and save it as a commit. Yeah, that's what, you know. Yeah, compare user contents and save it as a commit. Although this should work without too much hassle, so we shouldn't have those problems related to that we cannot go into the home because, yeah, I want to execute it. Open. That's interesting. So you disable it, you enable, and then you can do some stuff with it. Otherwise, you cannot. That's very strange. I wonder if it's something. Maybe it was computer, the one that didn't work. Oh my God! Operation not supported. Which? Open. Wait a minute, what the hell is this? Maybe that's what's the thing. Operation not supported. Try to figure out why in our case we cannot go into computer. What's the fucking name? Computer and 3 computer from the file manager. I think it's some missing package related to GFSBS, GBFS, or something, KIO or something like that, something similar. Okay, so that's what, you know, because if it works with Debian Live by default, apparently, which is what we have here, so we should be quite good about this. So I'm wondering, so there's something wrong there, because once you apply one theme, then the other ones work, but you need to apply one of them, something like that. Like these are, yeah, I need to start from scratch and see what's going on in so computer. Yeah, here it works. So maybe we are supposed to have this thing here so that this works. But I don't want to have 3 gigabytes just for this LXQT stuff. Golden Dict. What the hell is this? You want to... This is a dictionary manager? What the hell is this? Audacious. Audacity. Found in dictionaries. Now in dictionary, English, Russian. What the hell is this? Homepage. Yeah, what the hell is this? Oh my god. Welcome. Wait. Can't I do... Okay. To start... wait, this is a Windows screenshot. Why would you put screenshots on the... Okay, go look at... Look at... Okay. Yeah, but what? Yeah, what? Anyway. And this is like... VLC stuff. Okay, nice. Nice, I guess. Install Debian. I will need to start from scratch again and see what I need from oh, look at that. This seems like quite modern. What are they using here? Debian theme, and icons are Papyrus. Yeah. Maybe Debian with Papyrus is nice, but then this is black and I don't want black in here. You know what I mean? This might be nice for whatever they want, but I don't want black. Yeah, let's end here the stream. Okay. So thank you very much for watching. Bye.